What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today I got a very special video. Won a giveaway last week from Mr. Ken Faulkner, a good buddy of mine. Totally unexpected. Watched the video, saw this great swag pack full of stickers, zipper pulls, little QSP penguin, some other stuff. Just so excited to win. Very, very happy about it. And then I get this package today and realize I'm a bonehead. I did not realize that the video he did I think it was like two videos previous to that with a big box of cool stuff and the swag pack were one giveaway. Had no idea. I'm an idiot. I apologize, Ken, for being stupid, but now I know. And I was already excited about the sticker pack, and now I got all this stuff in front of me. So I'm going to go through all this stuff. Thank you so much, Ken. You're awesome. I appreciate it so much. I'm going to go through this. You guys are going to have to bear with me because this is going to take a minute. But let's get the sticker pack. This is what I thought I won, and I was super happy about it. No joke, really, very happy that I won this because there's so many cool stickers and other patches and zipper pulls. Little QSP guy. I'm gonna get him first. Let me get the QSP penguin out of here, and he lives here now. I've always wanted one of these, and now I own one. He's gonna live there. I'm gonna mess with him every once in a while. Yeah, so super happy about that. And let's go through the thing I initially thought I won. And then we'll go through the other stuff after because it is awesome. I definitely thought it was two different giveaways. I'm an idiot. So a couple of little zipper pull lanyards. We'll put that stuff over here, over on the Eagle. Then we got some patches. Got Zach's stuff. Zach's got a great channel. I love his stuff. It's awesome. Then you got Big Red. I'll put the patches on the Navy veteran thing. Big Red EDC. Also very cool dude. Great channel. Very good guy. Demco Knives. Another one of Big Red's Saturday Knife Lives. We got a Kelly sticker. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Kelly's awesome. I'll be getting her package here very, very soon, so we'll be going over that when I get it. And I got a world debut of Rosecraft. Say it with me now. Rosecraft blades. Okay, cool. See Reisner cutlery. I'm gonna try to zoom through these, but I want to see each one. But then we'll get to the knives and stuff. Got a Bees Blades. He's my neighbor to the north, I think. Cobalt cutlery. A Kaiser Koala, another Dark Mode from Blade Binge, McWright Handmade, Manganas, Gecko Customs. Am I doing this in the right spot? There we go. Gecko Customs. Got the Rhino there. Wild Tribe Tactical. Got a little Chucky. Want to see my new knife. OCD for EDC, another great creator out there. Got this Golfers. Another bee sticker. I like this one. Stella's Knife Obsession. No Thoughts, No Mercy. Little chicken with a knife. Little chick. Kaiser. Oops, get over there. Basilisk. Women carry knives. They sure do. Just bought a knife from Blade HQ with a little thing there. That's cool. A Shark Lock Demco knives. Can you guys tell I'm excited? I keep messing my words up. I always mess my words up. Blade HQ, another with the I guess a beehive there. That's pretty cool. A different Jimmy Crow sticker I don't own. That's really cool. I like that. What else we got? Another Big Red. That's pretty cool. I don't have one of those either. A Bird Blades. And okay, got the I don't know which one that is actually. Someone tell me what that is in the comments. I'm not sure what that one is. It's really cool though. Dead Reckoned Knives. Got a Staccato Pam. And Oh Father EDC. I think I'm subscribed to his channel too. Got Pens and Pen Blades. Another Big Red sticker. It's got the Easy Peel. That's cool. Got a Smoky Mountain Knife Works with the Beetlejuice Wormdale on there. Got a BEDC. Till Valhalla Project. If that's the same company that I got my bracelets from, they're a really awesome organization. They help out families fallen veterans who unfortunately took the easy way out. I don't want to say it like that, but that's how we say it, I guess. But very cool company. Squid Industries. Got a Knife. Was it Knife Fast? Knife Fast. I know these guys. I think I'm definitely subscribed to them too. Way of Knife EDC Gear House. I'm too excited to talk, guys. Welcome, come on in, Brandon Thrasher. A Voyage Blade Works. A Draw 214 Customs. Tri-State EDC. He's another neighbor of mine to I think the southwest. About 20 minutes, Cincinnati guy. I think he's from Cincinnati. Anyway, if y'all haven't tried Cincinnati chili yet, it's pretty good. I only moved out here 2 years ago, but I'm a fan. And then we got that. What's that? I can't even read. Anyway, a couple of little beads, it looks like. Neato. So that's the swag pack, and that's what I thought I initially won. That's what I thought all of it was. So I'm super excited today, and like it's amazing. All the stuff that you sent me is great. So first thing we'll look at, I'm not going to open everything up right quick. I'll open the knives up, but got a big bit selector set, and I could always use one of these for my knives. This is a really cool one. Yeah, I think maybe I should open it. You know what? I'm going to open it up because why not? Got time, right? Yeah, I think this actually goes down in. Oh yeah, hell yeah. That is neat as heck. So that is crazy cool. So I can like tighten my knives up and take them apart and do all that action. It pops right out. That is neat. I like that a lot. So I'll definitely get some use out of that for sure. Let's put we'll put this stuff to the side. Gotta make room for all the other stuff. I can't believe how much stuff this is. It's craziness. What else we got? I'm not gonna take the Woobin out, but I got a little Woobin flashlight. Very cool flashlight. I had one of these before, and I actually gave it away to somebody. So now I have another one, and this one's going to be kept. I will keep this one for sure. I almost kind of regret giving away my other one to my buddy, but things happen. But now I have another one. Thank you, Ken. What else have we got? Got this multi-tool from Next Tool. I'm actually going to pop this out of the box, too. We'll pop out the Woobin, though, because we've all seen the flashlights, and I don't want to blind nobody today. But got this little multi-tool. Oh, that is cool. Could put it on my keychain if I wanted to. Yeah, little pliers. Got some, I'm sure, a bunch of other stuff in there. I'm not gonna pull everything out, but it looks like a little nail file there, screwdriver. Yeah, another driver there, and I'm sure it's got a blade or something. Yeah, like a little blade on here probably. What do you got there? What's that? Is that scissors, dude? No, okay. Then you got your little bottle opener, and there it is, your little knife right there. So this is very cool. Very cool indeed. Man, I'm a lucky dude. Can't believe I thought it was just a sticker pack. Jeez. Talk about a pleasant surprise when I got to the post office today. I was like, what the hell is this big old box? All right. I'm going to be a slob real quick. Sorry, guys. I got to get through this. Got the OK knife. It looks like it's a Hank. Let's pull it out for fun. We'll pull it out of there. Oh, hell yeah. I remember. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Let's unfurl this thing. Very cool, Hank. Look at that. That's awesome. That's all. I'm gonna leave that right there. Little placemat. What else we got? Yeah, got the some kind of, it's a coin there. I guess. Let's open this up too, if I can. I'm shaking more than normal because I'm so excited right now. This is amazing. How did I get so lucky? You guys are the best community ever. So it looks like, yeah, a little, like a challenge coin type thing. Yes, no. So I can use this, I can flip it. When I'm at work, if somebody asks me a question, I can just flip the coin and yes or no. Live or die, yes or no. Awesome. Now, oh, forgot the pen. I can always use one of these at work for sure. I'm always writing stuff down. First, we're going to go and look at the Kubi. Big fan of Kubi, for sure. Cool little guy. Nice yellow and black color. Looks like G10. I'm not going to go through all the specs, but oh, heck yeah. You know, Kubi makes some good stuff. We all know this. That is awesome. First flick? Sure, why not? Check. Actually has good ergos, too. That's neat. Heck yeah. Let's get that out of there. But yes, Kubi, one of my favorite brands. And then got the last one from, I forget the name of the company. What? I have it pulled up, sorry, because I couldn't remember. Damn Designs, that's right. Damn Designs. This is awesome. If I could flip it open, like, there we go. It's like a clip point Bowie hybrid, just awesome knife. I think Ken was saying that these aren't available anymore. I kind of looked around real quick because I did peek in the box. Ooh, look at that edge. But yeah, I peeked around a little bit and couldn't really find it. So technically, if I wanted to, I could say this is a mission knife for the month. I'm not sure how much it costs. You know what, Ken, we're going to call this a mission knife. So you help my mission out, plus giving me all this stuff. Now, this is, like I said, this is overwhelming. I did not expect all of this. I expected the swag pack, and then I opened this dang thing up today, and this is what I got. So that's it. I'm going to wrap this up and go mess with my new stuff. Ken, thank you so much. I apologize for, the flub. Did not know all this stuff was coming. I thought it was a sticker pack, and like I said, I would have been totally happy with just that. But this is amazing. Thank you, Ken. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, my veteran brothers and sisters, and all you military guys and girls out there. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be Kelly's or another mission knife. I'm not sure yet. Talk to you guys later.